Hi guys, you're watching Nikki, you also known as Faces Trader, and you're watching our July 8th, 2020 global market update. We have a lot of charts to discuss. We have got a news. So there's about 8 companies that I'm gonna discuss. So let's start one by one. So the US is already talking about we have to do warp speed products production of all these COVID vaccines, sending your Novavax at a bleeding high move of 104. That is a gap up. As you could see, yes, as of the vaccine play since January, this is 3 to 110, and you would have done 33 times your money. Or yeah, so hindsight is 2020. Like I should have bought Novavax. Oh my god. Okay, don't worry, guys. I don't understand the thing about vaccines either. So this is me saying, "Oh my god, I should have bought Novavax. My $3 went to 110." So don't worry. I'm also the same person who's saying, "Oh my god, Inovio now is $24, and oh my god, this is January $4. Now it's 24. That's 6x your money." All of these COVID vaccines, or whether they do have a vaccine or people just think they have a vaccine, these moves are real. So those price moves are real. Nevertheless, I'm sorry to say I don't have both Novavax or Inovio. Nevertheless, let's talk about a few names. Walmart. Walmart had a Walmart Plus yesterday. Let's see that chart. Take a look at these levels. Kaboom. Walmart was boom. And we were saying that Walmart at 118, 120. Well, I wouldn't know the news that Walmart would announce Walmart Plus. What is Walmart Plus? Well, it is like their Amazon Prime shipping at the $98 per year. Now, that is a statement because Amazon Prime is $115 a year. And what does the Walmart Plus entail? Well, let me show to you what Walmart Plus will give you. Take a look at the supermarkets. Take a look. Wait, guys. I'm trying to find my notes here. So the Walmart Plus service is launching this July, according to several insider sources said by Recode. And then retail giant Walmart is launching this subscription program later this month. So this is Walmart's Amazon Prime membership program. It will include fuel discounts, same day shipping, no additional cost, and other perks, and an annual cost of $98. So take note that Walmart has already been doing so well in their delivery service. Um, for those who aren't aware, Walmart has been in works with Microsoft since how long is it? Like 2 years already? Or is it like even I think not 2 years. Like Walmart was doing e-commerce since 2018. Yeah, 2 years. So like if you have bought it, you've done 100%. Oops, sorry. That's Microsoft. This is Walmart. I think Walmart went from about $50. Tama ba? No, sorry. This is 55, 2016. I think somewhere here. I can't remember, guys. You can Google search when did Walmart partner with Microsoft. But basically, Walmart and e-commerce, Walmart, Microsoft Cloud, e-commerce, all of those partnerships have done so well for Walmart. And Walmart is still the number one groceries for Americans. So in terms of sales, Amazon is not number one here. Walmart is. So that might surprise you that Walmart, Target, Costco, they're not down just because Amazon is in the grocery business. Take a look here at Costco. So see, they're still doing well in the last 5 years. Kaboom! And if you've invested in the supermarket space, not a problem as long as the companies that you're buying has their digital e-commerce forays, and that is true for your Walmarts, your Costco's, your Targets, and there is no problem. And yeah, so that's your Walmart story. Another news for you to know is wait up. So this we're not gonna talk about the lock-in, but so basically lock-in was officially ousted, but the headlines are still saying that Charles Liu might actually still be there, especially since some of the board directors are some of his minions. So nevertheless, what happened was Lock-in is now trading in the penny stock world. The ticker is LKNCY. Of course, you knew that Lock-in got delisted, right? So it's still 95% down. I don't own this, but what's gonna happen is that of course they wanted to kick out the old and get new management. This is what happened from $1 to $3. in the last, how many days was it? 2 days, 3 days, 36 hours, 60 hours, something like that. So just tells you that there's money to be made in some crappy companies, huh? As long as you know how to buy. Anyway, that's not the news that I was gonna discuss. I'm gonna discuss, yes, Livongo. So Livongo actually had the earnings report yesterday. I have it here in my healthcare. Cry me because I sold Livongo very early last year. I never got back. Livongo is a diabetes management company. Lots of buy signals. I entered as early as 26 last year. 2019, geesh. 26, when was that? Somewhere here? Somewhere November. 24, 26. Yeah, I remember buying there. Now it's about 94. They had a buy signal at 43. So basically, Livongo's been doing well. Of course, the telemedicine, all of these telemedicine products have been doing well. Livongo Health is it's an app for all those diabetes management who has to take in their shots, their insulin shots. Let me read to you what happened in their report. So Livongo, it's earnings season again. Livongo now expects revenue for the second quarter of 2020 in the range of 86 to $87 million. This is 20% higher than their guidance of 73 to 75. Updated revenue outlook includes approximately 2 to 3 million of non-recurring one-time revenue in nature. The results are preliminary. They will complete their quarter end by the second quarter of 2020. So yeah, that's very strong move for them. There's also news, of course, with Sunrun. We're gonna discuss Run. Run is in my electric clean energy. So of course, shares of Sunrun and Vivint Solar surged on Tuesday after the two companies agreed to a merger that could create a new solar energy titan. By the close of trading, Sunrun and Vivint Solar stocks were up 23 and 38%. Now what? Sunrun is buying Vivint Solar for $3.2 billion. Shareholders of Vivint are going to receive 0.55 shares of Sunrun stock for each Vivint share they own. Combined, they will be the largest home solar and energy service providers in the US, with a customer base today of about 500,000 and more than 3 gigawatts of solar assets. Two companies believe that together they can slash and save $90 million in their supply chains, office branches, and technology. Now, of course, if you're a Tesla fan, you may be aware that Sunrun is their partner for those battery walls. So you have a car, and how would you charge your car without your solar panels and your house having solar electricity? So yes, this is the future. Kaboom siya, no? I read before the news of the buyout. I already saw that Sunrun yesterday was rising. I didn't know that there was some. So I mean, of course, there was no news, but there's a breakout at 20 to 21. Lo and behold, gap up today. So sucks for me because I saw the 21 and yet I didn't buy. I thought that I could buy today at 20. Like, of course, last night I thought I could buy it at 20 to 21, but there was news already. So kaboom. This was an all-time high for Sunrun. This is an all-time high, the largest residential solar panel in USA. I think this is a good company, so I would give a study for Sunrun, even if I don't have it. So congrats to those who have it. Now this is Vivint. Vivint. Let's take a look at Vivint. So Vivint Solar will have all of these Vivint Solar. So all of them will become Sunrun shareholders. Each Vivint Solar shareholder gets half of Sunrun. That's why this shoot up from about 10 to 14. So yeah, very strong move. That is an acquisition move. What else? What are in our news today? There's a lot of news. Let me see. I have my outline here just so I don't get lost. So many names for Vivint. So we discussed healthcare, Livongo acquisition. Oh yeah, I'm gonna discuss to you the freelance economy, SPACs and wearables, and Pinterest later. So okay, let's discuss about your freelance economy. So last week, if you recall, was it last week or was it 2 weeks ago? The U.S. government was sharing that the jobless in America is about from 13%, it's 11%. So where are the people finding jobs? I'd say that they're finding jobs in companies like Upwork. So yes, we have Upwork. We got to buy somewhere here about 13. And right now it's 14.82. Some bought at about 14. even at 14, 14.20, we said yes, you can still buy there. Yeah, so this is your freelance economy play. Upwork, kaboom. I still think that this can go to about 18, can go to 24. So any dips here, you buy. What's gonna happen in your Fiverr? Of course, this is also another gig economy play. This is actually stronger. Take a look, all-time highs after all-time highs. When you have a secular trend with you, all the dips are nothing. 30% drops, give it to me. Give Fiverr down to about 68. Give it to me, and I will ride a company upward. So no problem. People keep saying, "Oh my God, what's gonna happen with the SPAC?" So yesterday, yes, SPAC graph fell down 15%. But what can we say about graph industrial? Okay, so Graph Industrial, if you can see the chart, this has gone from about 11 since about June 26. People were speculating here, like they were saying, hey, Graph, this is going to be Velodyne LiDAR. And then people are saying, are you sure? Are you sure? No, 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 it's not yet sure. But on July 2, it was sure. So in July 2, they said that yes, Graph is indeed Velodyne LiDAR. So this is a typical, Velodyne LiDAR, it's great. So people were selling on news. But if you ask me, here at 1665, even if Velodyne LiDAR will go down to 13, I know what I'm buying here. People know what they're buying here. They know that Graph is Velodyne LiDAR. And so you cannot shake us out, guys. You want it to fall to 16 or 13? Not as if like we're going to shake out. Because like Graph Industrial or AKA Velodyne LiDAR is the LiDAR technology leader. If you believe in Ford or Baidu, and they believe in Graph too. They believe in Velodyne LiDAR. The ticker is gonna change to VLDR. Just like how Sunrun believed in Vivint Solar. So I would tell you that, okay, maybe you got it at about 21. Maybe you said, oh my God, I'm like one of the fucking people who bought at the high. Don't worry, guys, because you're in a secular trend. You're in a secular trend. Let's say it goes down to about 15 or 16. We'll see where it gets support. Okay, people are chartists. People are saying that they can buy it low. Let them be. It could go. It could go low. We have to be honest here. You have support here at about 16, and if it goes lower, then it goes to 14. So I don't know if tonight it's gonna fall again. But I like the company. I like Velodyne LiDAR, and you can study it for yourself, do your own due diligence for VLDR. Now let's take a look in some of our wearable trends. Some wearable trends fell. Okay, so Copen is down to 125. I said that if you bought at 135, you can still have leeway to buy and ladder your positions all the way to 110. So yes, I still believe in Copen Corp, even if they fall it down, because this is gonna be the partner for all your wearable trends. And if you don't know wearable trends, you can listen to our podcast. We have Spotify podcast. Just listen to Faceless Trader. I discussed about these companies. One of our wearable trend picks is Vuzi. Let's show to you Vuzi. Vuzi. Boozy actually yesterday jumped to as high as 320. Yes, we liked it at 260. Yes, we like it at 280. And yes, we still like it at 290, guys. It's not as if like we're going to sell to you and we're pumping dumpers. No, we're not like that. Whether you bought it at 160 or 240, I just really believe that Vuzix is a company that is worth $3 to $4 to $5. So I see that the big trend here is that Vuzix blades are gonna be used in many enterprise consumer applications. And yesterday, the market confirmed that our hunch is correct. Why? Because Vuzix got an order for about, well, they didn't disclose how much, but they said that a defense contractor, like a military sort, had a contract with Vuzix. So I shared it here yesterday. I'm gonna share to you the news here. So Vuzix delivers customized waveguide based optics engine, smart glasses to military. So of course you might ask me what military company is that? I don't know. But could it be Palantir? I don't know, maybe. But it's a major US defense contractor. So this is gonna be good for the revenues of Vuzix. And I think that the market is correct for buying it up at 9%. And those who don't have it will one day cry. I think that you will cry because you didn't follow us in Vuzix. Now, what else am I gonna say? SPAC at, oh yeah, Pinterest, we're gonna discuss. So actually, like yesterday, Facebook said that, I give up. I'm not gonna fight Pinterest anymore. And they were, I'm not sure if they said it yesterday or a few days ago, but So I'm wrong here. I thought that I could buy Pinterest lower, but no, I'm wrong. Pinterest continues to go up. It will meet this resistance at 27. But I guess the fact that so why am I a bit bearish? I'm a bit neutral on Pinterest, to be honest, because digital advertising to me is a question mark. Nevertheless, the fact that Pinterest uh, is the only niche today for those feel good inspirational stuff. And Pinterest, I think, has some e-commerce. They have leeway to do e-commerce. So yeah, so the ARPU of Pinterest is too low versus FB, which tells people that there's leeway for some advertisers to actually shift some of their Facebook advertising to Pinterest. Nevertheless, yeah, so that's doing well for your Pinterest. Your Facebook is actually $240. That boycott seemed as if it was nothing, complete V-shape in the last 3 days. Of course, Facebook already said sorry. Snapchat, we also saw moving up. I'm not sure if it's because some shifting of advertising, but Snapchat is 24.25 from about $8 since March. So yeah, let me think if I have forgotten anything. So yeah, I mean, I discussed those charts. Let's tell you a few things about the companies that we have been discussing. Um, so what happened to your 700? So 700, your Tencent now is at all-time highs, 543. We have been discussing this for all the listeners. I know whatever make you happy is listening. So hello to you. I'd like to share that thank you for all the listeners, the watchers of YouTube. I would read the comments. So just comment. I'd read whatever you want to share. So I hope that our daily updates help you. And if you want to know more about our classes, our deep dives, why we like these companies, you can go to our class. We have a $40 per month class. It's 2,000 pesos per month. We have a lot of good customers, good clients, and I hope that you join our community wherein we really want to surround you with winners and have a winning attitude with the market. And nevertheless, if you just want to listen us for free, it's also fine. We have Spotify for free, YouTube for free. Yeah, so just look up Awesome 10X. And thank you guys. Thank you very much. Goodbye. Tomorrow. See you again.